Hey, good morning, guys. It's Friday morning, and I just was listening to one of my morning inspirational messages that I like to listen to in the morning, and it reminded me of something that just happened this week. I talked to several people this week about the note business and about becoming an investor and that kind of thing, and I had two people actually ask me the same question. And when I heard the question, I realized I hadn't done a good job really helping these people see the big picture of what note investing is all about. They both asked me, how long before I can start making some money, in the note space? And while I can tell you that for sure you'll start to make money in the note space, the question sends a signal to me that really what they're looking at the note investing space as, it's like a job. Maybe like an employee mentality, I guess is what I want to say. And I'm not trying to minimize that, because obviously you need to make a living. But if that's the purpose of getting into the note business, is so that you can make a living, then really, if you need to make a living, my attitude is really you should just go get a job someplace, right? Because the note space is so much bigger than that. And some of you guys know exactly what I'm talking about. You see, because as a note investor, you can find absolute freedom, and not just income freedom, financial freedom. You can find freedom of time. You're going to find the ability to set your family free, to help your friends get free. This is far bigger than, oh man, can I pay my bills next month because I'm a note investor? Yeah, of course you can pay your bills. How fast will it happen for you? Who really knows? But here's what I can tell you. You've got to resolve that it's going to happen for you. And if you make that resolution that this will happen, then it'll happen. And it doesn't matter if it's a month, 6 months, a year, 2 years, 3 years, it doesn't matter, because it's all about getting your freedom. I heard Jim Rohn this morning talking about resolve and making a resolution to get something done. And he asked a simple question, which I thought really drove home the point. He says, how long will you have a baby try to learn how to walk before you say, you know what, you've tried enough, that's enough, just forget about it, right? We would never stop. There's not a mother on the planet who would say to her kid, you've tried enough. Don't worry about trying to learn how to walk. A mother's going to say, you know what, we're going to keep going until it happens. That's how long we're going to keep teaching this child to walk, until. And what I'm trying to tell you is this note space, how long is it going to take you to get your freedom? I don't know. You just make it happen. Just adopt the attitude until, whatever that is. And I'm just telling you guys, some of you guys are going to go faster, some of you are going to go slower, but this is about your freedom. This is about something that you've never experienced before, most likely, because most people have it. And I'm talking about having absolute financial comfort and assurance that no matter what happens, no matter how bad the economy gets, you've got enough passive income from your note investing portfolio. You've helped so many people get their money out of the stock market and out of other risky investments and into the note space, that no matter what happens out there, your world will always be good. The world of your family will always be good. And they say the number one reason that husbands and wives fight is money. And if you can resolve that problem, you're going to help save marriages. We're talking about big stuff here, guys. People worry about how they're going to put their kids through college. You put all that stuff behind you once you really get the fact that this is not just about, I want to pay my bills next month. So that was my message for today, guys. I hope you guys get it. If you don't get it, keep at this, because one day the light bulb is going to come on and you're going to go, my goodness, God put this into my life, and if I don't take advantage of it, then I don't deserve the benefits that this business can give. And you're going to know that this is a great, great opportunity. That's it, guys. God bless you. I'll see you guys next time.